Hello, thanks for joining me. My name's Jessamyn Stanley. I'm a yoga teacher, I'm a writer. I'm based here in beautiful Durham, North Carolina. And I want to do a little meditation with you today. When I first started meditating, I always thought that I was doing it wrong. I thought that I was supposed to be finding this kind of calm or peace. And every time that I closed my eyes, I was just immediately inundated with all of the mental baggage and mental chatter that rules day-to-day life. And I thought, I'm not good at this. I can't find that calm that people talk about. But what people don't tell you is that nobody finds that. That kind of calm, it's not really a thing. What happens is you get used to the feeling of listening to everything. You just allow all of your mental chatter to just be there. Don't try to put it somewhere else. Don't try to stop thinking about it. Tell yourself, this is the time when I can think about all of those things that won't go away. Because the reality of the situation is that you can't think about them forever. You won't think about them forever. Inevitably, the mind will slow down. The thoughts will be like clouds passing over a blue sky. But the most important thing to do, more than anything else, is just to breathe. So that's how we root this practice. This meditation, more than anything, it's about breathing. So just go ahead, find a comfortable seat. You can be sitting in a chair. You can be sitting in the ground. You might be at your office desk, maybe you're in a car, but just try to be comfortable wherever you are. I'm gonna sit cross-legged. You can have your legs extended out in front of you. You can sit on a bolster, on a pillow. Doesn't matter how, just find yourself comfortable. Allow your arms to fall open. And I like to have my palms facing up. You may want to have your palms in your lap. You may want your palms facing down on your thighs. Just find a position for your arms that feels natural, that feels comfortable. Close your eyes if that feels good. There's no need to pretend to be anywhere else. There's no need to imagine or create anything in the mind. All that's needed is to just be here in this moment. And as you're here, start to notice your breath. Acknowledge how it moves through your body. Like a wave, it moves through the body. Rolling through the crown of the head, through to the edges of the toes, find the wave inside of you and root it through a deep inhale in the nose, deep exhale through the nose. Find that each breath in through the nose, out through the nose. Each breath relaxes your physical body through the shoulders and the neck, the sternum, the pelvis, Allow the breath to move you. Do not fear the little movements of your body. There is no movement that can disrupt this natural easiness, the feeling of being. There is no thought that can interrupt what is always present. No matter what your head does, no matter what your mind does, no matter what your body does, none of it disrupts this natural feeling of being. Every bit of you is allowed to exist. Every piece of you is necessary. Give yourself permission to steep in the power of your own presence, the gift of your own attention. As you inhale deep through the nose, exhale deep through the nose. When you're ready, take your time. Let it happen naturally. Gently blink your eyes open. Let it come when you're ready. Do not feel compelled to rush. This sensation this feeling of being, it's always here. There is no one who will come and go from here. Finding the breath, carrying it, bring your palms together at your heart. Drop your gaze down. Your eyes can be closed, they can be open. Bow to the spirit within. Bow to the ever-present power, the never-ending strength. And allow yourself to be humbled by them. Take a deep inhale through your nose. Exhale it out of your mouth, let it go. Drop your arms down. Let your gaze come up. Open your eyes. Namaste.